A and B are partners with 5:3. C admits in the business by 1/3 share. तो यहाँ पर ओल्ड रेशियो बिटवीन ए एंड बी क्या है 5:3 5/8 एंड 3/8. C's share is equal to 1/3. Total share equal to 1. Remaining share equal to 1 minus 1/3, that is 2/3. न्यू शेयर तीनों का जो है या न्यू रेशो तीनों की जो है वो क्या होगी, that would be A share remaining 2/3 multiply 5/8, that is 10/24. B's total remaining share 2/3 multiply his old share 3/8 equal to 6/24. C equal to 1/3 which is her share multiply 8/8, that is 8/24. Therefore new ratio between A, B and C will be 10/6 is 10:6:8 or 5:3:4.